Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix App Store not downloading apps in your iPhone. So guys, if you're using any iPhone device and when you try to download and install apps from your App Store, and you will see that apps are not downloading properly. So guys, I will help you how can you fix this problem so you will easily fix this. So first of all guys, you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. Maybe your internet connection weak, then you need to change your internet, and if you are using mobile data, select 4G or 5G network on your device. And guys, now you need to scroll it down, click on general, and after this you need to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect your VPN. And guys, now you need to go back. So guys, after this you need to click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset, and you need to reset your network settings. And after this you need to go back. So guys, now after doing all these settings, simply you have to check for software update, and you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys, now you need to check that your problem will be fixed or not. If still not fix your problem, no need to worry, you have to remove your Apple ID from here, and guys, you need to sign in again. And after this you need to open your App Store, and you need to check that your Apple ID has been logged in or not. If not, then you need to log in your Apple ID in your App Store, and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing all these settings, if still not fix your problem, then no need to worry, you have to search here Apple Support. So guys, as you will see here, you need to search in your browser. So guys, simply you have to wait for some seconds. So as you will see here, click on your Apple Support website, that is officialsupport.apple.com. and now you need to select your iPhone, scroll it below, and from here click on Get Support. And guys, now you need to click on more option and select App Store and click on Continue. And after this you need to click on Call Us. And guys, you need to call at these numbers, and you have to tell your problem, and they will respond to you and they will fix your problem. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.